What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we're gonna be messing with Black Haven. I already went to Summit. I ain't record that. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Well, I got the little USB, the can to USB connector. They don't come with it. I thought about it, and I read the comment, man. I'm gonna have to shout my boy out. I gotta go back and look at the comment. I'm gonna make sure I go back and look at it so I can shout him out. But he told me it's a possible fix to that high idle, then it dropped. And I want to try it. I want to learn this stuff anyway. I want to try it, man. So I went and got it this morning. I saw that comment last night after I got back from the track. I said, I'm going in the morning to get it. Went ahead and ordered it. I went and got it. And I ordered the splitter too, so I can keep the screen hooked up too, but they on back order. It probably ain't going to be here till July. So it is what it is. And this the day before going to the tuner, so that's what I said. At the time y'all watching it, car probably already tuned and I probably got it back. So I'm about to move the car back around. I got a new car cover in too, and I got some parts for Black Haven in already. I'm gonna show y'all all of that in this vlog. So I'm finna arrange these so tomorrow I won't have to be doing all this early in the morning, cause I got a mean trip to drop this thing off. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna back this up, switch it out, and all that good stuff, man. And then, man, we still got two missing. Gotta get wifey car back, and y'all know Meech undergoing surgery right now, and Brown Coat is still sick, so, and Dolo's still sick, so, and Black Haven semi sick. But car ain't did no real road test yet, but that's why I'm finna go ahead and get it tuned, and it is what it is. And John Jones just been chilling, man. John Jones just been chilling. But, and R&B been holding it down, man. It's a huge round of applause for R&B, because she been holding it down. For real. And she the baby of the bunch. But, yeah, man. I'm finna move this stuff around, and then turn y'all back on. All right. Checking in, man. Y'all see we got Black Haven out over there. And I'm finna, y'all see the packages I got right here. Check them out. So, alright, y'all. Camera had cut off. But this is what we got. Y'all see the headlight lenses. So we can go over to the LED. I just got the standard lens, man. I don't want halos and all that. I like that stuff on certain vehicles. Sometimes I don't like it. I had them on Cheapskate, my S10. I like the way it look. I had the black halo one time, the one with the black background, the white halo, and I like the way they look at night. But when I say that black reflector is not ideal for what it's supposed to do, which is protecting your light, reflecting your light, man, hey, they look good, but they ain't ideal for night drive. Then y'all see we got the other box. That's what these is, LEDs. So we gotta get these put on, which I probably won't be doing it today, cause I got my old tuning laptop, which that's what I use for all of my cars. I use for all my cars, and that's it. I don't use for nothing else. And then I went to Summit and got this right here. So do what you need if you get it. And it's not included. Why? I don't know. They're kind of crazy. Oh, glory. Oh, Lord. Nah, that might. Where the key at? That's my key to my trailer, man. And my draggy. Rick had bought back to me. We'll find it. It's around here somewhere. We know that much. But anyway, you got to get this. You got to have this, man. So let me see. Let me tell y'all the part number. Cause if you don't, if you can't do nothing. You can't hook it up to your laptop. And I do see that. You got to hook it up to your laptop to really get down to the nitty gritty. Cause that little projector, I mean that little handheld screen, nothing. Nothing. I mean read vitals and stuff, but nothing. For the part number at. Here it is. They go the part number right there for anybody that need it. Hold on. There it is. You need that part number. That's it. So I'm finna get that. I already got the program downloaded. I'm finna hook it up. Well, I gotta trace it, cause to hook it up, I see that you got to unplug the screen and then plug this up in place of the screen. And you can only run either or. Now I bought the splitter. It's called a Con two-way connector. So basically, it got two ends like this on it. And then the screen has an end. You plug in, then you plug this in the other end so you can have the screen and you can have the laptop. But that ain't coming till July. It ain't gonna ship till July, but I'm gonna need it, so I went ahead and ordered it. You know, when it get here, it'll get here. So I'm finna go trace that, disconnect that, and then plug this up. And I'm just gonna leave it plugged. I'm probably not even gonna have the screen hooked up no more, cause well, now I'm gonna plug it back up, cause I'm gonna let the tune do all that, man. I'm just plugging up so I can try to change this. So we finna do that. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. All right, y'all. I just got finished. Whew. Messing with that thing, man. Had to trace the I traced it from the handheld. It was pretty easy to find. Had to figure out how to disconnect that joker, boy. That joker there a little funny looking connector, man, but I figured it out. Had to press in, take a little flathead screwdriver, press in on it, then it slipped out of there. So I plugged it up, start going through the program, and definitely, yeah, laptop, man, pretty simple to navigate. I like that. The layout pretty simple, the simplicity. So I like that about it. But I did what, let me see it using it. I screenshot it, man, so I know. Mike Gray, man, I got shout out to Mike Gray. I did what he said, but this joker here still got that little fad idle when you first crank it up. But I put it on closed loop too, which is aka self-learn. So I put it on a closed loop. Let's see. Probably just let it run. It's still doing it. I don't know. I'm gonna learn it though. Put it down to 850. Put it down to 850. It's over here upside down. It's over here falling off the thing. Uh-oh. Put it back. It's on closed loop. Learn. I'm supposed to do that. So start idling high then. Let's go start idling high. Let me see something. Idling real low now. Oh, okay. I think I see how this joker works. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's see where I hit the gas and idle up. It's interesting, man. Let me see. When I had it on. Nope. What it is. I always had that error right there. There's an air motor pump on here. Somebody said check the fuel pump. It's an air motor, man. But I need to get up on there and check it too. It's right there. I see it. But it don't matter. We going to the we loading it up. We loading it up tomorrow. So cut it off. Cut it off. Said, but it don't matter, man, cause either way we loading it up tomorrow. Putting it on the trailer, which ain't gonna take no time. So I'm gonna back the car up, man, back it in, so then in the morning I can just hook up to the trailer and then put it on the trailer and just take off, man. Then, you know, let somebody fool with it. And then what I am going to do, cause you got to pay for knowledge. That's what people fail to realize. You got to pay for knowledge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pay for the tune, obviously. Then I'm gonna go save the file. I'm gonna save the global file, and then I'm gonna just study it. You know what I'm saying? Study it and see how it's set up, whatever. Call. I'm trying to learn them tables, the fuel tables, timing tables, and stuff. How it's a little different than traditional tuning. You know what I'm saying? I know the stuff I know is setting like initial timing and stuff. Which the only reason I never done it with my cars, and y'all know I always call my fan Rick over here. I ain't have a timing light. I ain't have a timing light, man. You got a standard timing light, then you got one for MSD ignitions and stuff. And I ain't have no timing light at all, which I got that now. So, you know, I know how to set initial timing. You know, you can set your spring so it can ramp your timing in. So you can change the springs and stuff in the Pro billet distributors and all of that. But this different. This different. Which I'm gonna learn it though. I'm gonna learn it, man. I'm real technical when it comes to this stuff. Like, and with a lot of people, you got a lot of people that know either or. I noticed that in the game. Some people deal with just fuel injection, but they can't put their hands on the carburetor and do the distributor and stuff like that. They don't know nothing about it. And then you got people that's stuck in their ways and don't want to learn the new stuff, and they don't know nothing about it. So it's like you got people in the game that know either or, and then you got those out there that know both of them. They just know engines. Period. They know everything. Like I say the doctor, man. Y'all remember the doctor? That guy there is a mad scientist. I'm telling you, my fan here, mad scientist. Joker know everything. But you know, I'm gonna learn this stuff right here. Cause that's another reason I bought this car too. I'm gonna learn this stuff too, man. I'm gonna learn fuel injection, tuning, and then I'm gonna add it to my repertoire along with the old school tuning, you know, reading plugs and all that stuff. A lot of people don't know how to read plugs. But even with fuel injection, you still need to know how to read plugs, man. Don't depend on the computer to tell you everything. Do not depend on computer to tell you everything, man. Parts fail, and then when parts fail, you got to know how to pull them plugs out and read them straps. Because if you don't know how to read them straps, you can have something seriously going on in your engine, man. That sensor can go out and not to take that sensor out or whatever. That O2 could not be working right or something. And then you got a problem and you don't know you got a problem, or you can't hear, or then you can't read your plug, or you can't read your exhaust tips, and all that type of stuff, man. Or you can't smell, you know, that type of stuff. But I'm gonna learn it, y'all. I'm gonna learn it. Like I said, I don't come on here. If I know it, I know it, y'all. If I don't, I tell y'all I don't. Now every now and then I act like I don't know something. Y'all ain't gonna count. Which the OG people know, cause I done went over there when I had them clown come through every now and then. But I act like I don't know something, cause I know it's gonna trigger people, and then they gonna comment and they can't help themselves to say something. Like when I took the engine out of Dolo, me and wifey put the hood on the paint side. Put it on Instagram, people couldn't help it. Why you put it on the paint side? It need painting. But you know, you do stuff like that seems subtle, and it don't seem planned. You know, something that simple don't seem planned, but then it is, and it drive engagement, man. I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna mastermind it there, man. I've been doing it too long. You can do the smallest thing, man. Somebody be looking, they can't help themselves, they comment. Some people just set up like that. So, you know, every now and then I do that. Like, hey, guilty as charged. But this one of them things, man, I ain't gonna do that with y'all, cause I know a lot of people learn a lot from me, but this one of them things I'm learning. and I appreciate all tips. Like the RC cars, the souped up RC cars, man. I'm learning with that. Now when it comes to these combinations, hey, I know how an engine work. Dolo is proof. Dolo is proof. That's out my head, man. For the new people that don't know, that Dolo box Chevy, that's my combination, man. Didn't nobody expect that. I didn't pay nobody for that. I paid them to put it together, but that's my combination. I put that together on the sheet, and I do build sheets, and I expect a few more combinations out there. So we're gonna figure this out, man. But anyway, I want to show y'all. Like I said, if I would have got it right, I would have showed y'all what I did, but I didn't. I mean, I did what my guy said, but some still ain't right, which I think it need tune. I want a custom tune on it anyway, make it the best it's gonna be. And then after I get it back, we're gonna go straight in that rear end. First thing I'm doing, I'm going straight in that rear end. Got to have it. So I'm going dead up in there. Then after that, I'm gonna change the brakes over. He did a good thing right there. He did do a good thing right there. I don't know why I went thinking, man. I could not, like I told y'all, I did not know. I ain't never seen Blazer front brake. I seen the back brake, not the front brake. But he did a good thing, man. But I like putting 15s on my car, and I see now why he had the adapters on there. But I'm gonna go back to the old spindle, and then go back to 15s, and just upgrade to dual pistons, dual piston calipers, Wildwoods. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna hit the rear end. I was gonna go ahead and order the big one, cause I'm gonna end up putting the 8.8 in here. But for time's sake, I'm gonna build this one. I'm just gonna spend money twice. It's all good. So I'm gonna build this one, and then I'm gonna order the 8.8, and I'm gonna set this chassis up so it can handle some power, suspension, everything. Cause I told y'all I'm gonna make this one a little animal. I got a big body that's an animal. I got a truck that's an animal. Then I'm gonna make me a G body that's an animal. And then R&B gonna always stay the baby. But yeah, that's it, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.